Hello everyone, it is Charlotte here. Welcome back to my channel. I am sharing with you the second installment of Bella Vintage Notebooks Design Team Project. If you remember, the first one was to create this cover, and Neece had sent these papers, and so I created the cover and the back. The second installment was Neece sent this. She sent 3 more printables. This one here, this one, which is all lace, and then this pretty one here, which showed, I think it's like CD envelopes. So what I did is, I've really gotten into playing with these stacked pockets and tags. So that's what I decided to do, and it fit perfect on the inside of my journal cover. So I just love these, and I'm so hooked. And if you haven't caught this, if you go into my previous videos, it's in the title and you'll see, and I show you how to create this, and there's more coming. There's another one coming tomorrow, so if you haven't caught it, you might want to be sure to do that. But what I did is let's start at the beginning here. I took this one page and I created the pocket, and then I went ahead and took more of the printable. Look at how pretty that is. She did the doilies, and I had this vintage doily, so I went ahead and put that vintage doily on, and it's on this lined paper here. So I just thought this was so cool. This was the other printable that she had sent, and yeah, for the most part I covered it up, but I think I covered it up with something that's very well deserving, because printables are gorgeous. You want to make sure that you hop over and just have a look at what she's creating, because it's really, really beautiful. And all the information will be in the description box below. I went ahead and I put a piece of lace on top of that to decorate it. When you create these, you want to keep them fairly flat, because they'll take up a lot of bulk if you don't. So you have to be pretty cautious about that. And then this gorgeous, gorgeous lace printable that you could do so much with that. And this is the other piece of the doily tag that I used in the first one, and then another piece of that actual doily. And I created a larger writing tag, journal card writing tag with that. And then this one I loved because it had some color to it, just a little bit of pink. And so I went ahead and put pink ribbon at the top, kind of to pull that color out. And then the printable has this eyelet here, which is really, really beautiful. And then I added some lace here and some lace down the side of this really long pocket. And then inside is this tag. And what I did is I took what I had left over. This is the lace printable, the doily printable, and this printable, I'm pretty sure came from, well, this came from this page. This, I think it did, but I'm not positive. So I collaged them and thought this tag came out really, really nice. So this is what I did with the 3 new printables that Neece sent us, and I hope that you enjoyed this. And if you'd like to know how to create these, just look on my channel and you'll find them. And I'm excited to see what comes next, because now I need to start filling her up. So yeah, be sure you hop over and see what's going on in Neece's shops. And like I mentioned before, it is all in the description box. So thanks again so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this design team project, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.